It's Krissi here at Palm Harbor Homes in Abilene, and today I'm excited to show you guys one of our newest floor plans, the Atmos. This home is all about space, comfort, and style. So let's come on in and take a look. All right, guys, let's take a look at this living room. The Atmos does give you an open concept layout. It's going to connect to your kitchen and your dining room all in one. That's going to give you a big, bright space to gather with family and friends with no walls breaking it up, just one open, flowing room. Also, take a look at those windows over there. Not only are they energy efficient, which gives you a ton of natural light, but they also make your utility bill cheaper. And now, one of the best parts, the heart of the home, the kitchen. Right here, you're going to have an over 5 foot island with, of course, the farm sink in the middle. This is perfect for when your children are sitting here doing homework while you're cooking. That way, you're not left out of the conversation or all the fun. Another great benefit to this kitchen is you do get these appliances that come with it. It is going to include your dishwasher, your range, a built-in microwave, a side-by-side fridge with the pull-out bottom drawer, purified water, and an ice maker. These are also going to be Whirlpool appliances that come with a 5-year service warranty. And if you'll follow me back here, one of the best parts also is going to be your pantry. You're going to have an entry or a door, side door, back door to your pantry that comes in. It's going to be easy access when you're bringing your groceries in. Not only do you have that, you're going to have somewhere to set your groceries while you're putting your canned goods up in your cabinets. You're also going to have shelves here for all your cereal, all your kids' snacks, all the good stuff that they're going to want to come in here and eat after they get out of school. Okay, guys, now let's go down and take a look at one of the rooms that every family appreciates, the laundry room. So back here, you're going to have this huge laundry room that's going to offer a space for a full-size washer and dryer. You're going to have a sink here, a deep sink. This is good for, if you need to wash a dog, uh, get stains off of clothes, basically, just any and everything you need for your laundry room. Over here, you're going to have a folding station that is going to be great for whenever you need to have a designated area to fold your clothes. I know in my case that sometimes you have kids and you get overwhelmed with all that laundry. This is going to save you time. You'll be able to pull it out of the washer and dryer, come over here and fold your laundry. Plus all of the storage here for extra things. You could even put, your tools in here. If you don't have a tool shed out there in the backyard, you could put flashlights, light bulbs, different things for your storage area. Now follow me down here. We're going to take a look at these guest bedrooms and the secondary bath. So if you come back in here, you're going to have, this bedroom's about a 9 by 12. You're going to have plenty of space to fit a queen size bed, a dresser. Also, you're going to have a ceiling fan that's already put in this home. A lot of people want to order a house and add the ceiling fan in. Well, guess what? This is already here. Then if you come in here, you can take a look and see that these are huge walk-in closets with the wood rods and shelves. Lots and lots of space in this house. I know for me and my kids, we definitely need lots and lots of space. And here is the other guest bedroom, guys. And I didn't point this out in the other room. This is going to be the same size as the other guest bedroom. But if you take a look, there are 6 outlets in this room. This is going to be perfect for the kids that like to play games, want, extra lighting in their rooms, have a stereo, all those good things. Also, too, I didn't point this out earlier, but I am now. This is going to be 1/2-inch sheetrock textured walls throughout the whole house. And you're also going to have the block molding throughout the whole house. Okay, now let's take a look at the secondary bathroom or the guest bathroom. In here, you're going to have the porcelain sinks. They are going to be easy to clean. You're also going to have these nice looking backlit mirrors. A lot of homes don't come with these mirrors. This is definitely an upgraded feature. And if you take a look, if you come down this way, a one-piece shower tub, again, easy to clean. Also, for your tall guests or your tall children, you're going to have your uh, shower head that's going to be extremely tall versus our competitors. They're usually way shorter than that. And then a window in here that's going to bring in that natural light. And also, the house does come with these blinds, guys. These are the faux wood blinds, cordless blinds, actually. Lots of natural light coming in here. And then, of course, your toilet. Okay, guys, one of the other best parts of this house is going to be your master suite area. Let's go take a look. Once again, you're going to have a ceiling fan in here that comes standard in this home. This window is going to bring in even more natural light than the other windows in the house. This house, you don't even have to turn a light on. I don't even have the light on right now in here. Now, if you'll come take a look at this master closet, once again, wood rods and shelves, and plenty of space for all of your shoes and your clothes, ladies. And then also another thing too is you're going to have your bedrooms separate, your secondary bedrooms down the other end of the house. So it kind of gives you a little bit of privacy and a little bit of quiet time. Come on back here. This is an amazing bathroom. You're going to have your freestanding tub. This is a very deep tub, not those shallow tubs. So you're not going to be splashing water all over the floor. Windows, once again, bringing in natural light. You actually have your own little water closet here. And unlike some of the other competitors' homes, this has a lot of space in there. If you take a look back into that water closet, you don't feel like you're enclosed and getting getting crammed into a little space. Okay, and then once again, lots of cabinets. You're going to have the backlit mirrors, his and her sinks. I know for me that I don't like to clean beard hair out of my side of the sink. So it's going to be nice for couples. That way you can have your own sinks. And then, of course, one of the best parts too is going to be this amazing shower. Once again, with the tall shower head. And this is actually real tile, so much easier to clean than plastic tile. Okay, guys, if you are wanting to come see this home in person, give me a call at 325-676-9700. I'd love to help you. I'd love to help you get in your dream home. Come see me. Bye.